In this video, I'm going to show you how to view income reports in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money's report section gives you a detailed breakdown of your income, so you can see exactly where your money is coming from. To access this, go to Reports, then open the Income tab. From here, you can select a time period like this month or last year. You'll see visual charts like pie charts for totals and bar graphs for trends over time. You can click or hover over any section to view the exact transactions behind it, making it easy to drill down into details. If you want a broader view, you can also use the cash flow section and focus on income. This shows your inflows alongside expenses and helps you understand your overall financial movement. You can also customize your report by switching between category, group, or merchant views and apply filters like accounts or tags for more specific insights. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.